Introduction to Programming Languages. What do you mean by a program? In order to understand what is a program, let us first understand some basics of it. Imagine there are so many instructions which are being given to you to be processed. Let's take in our day-to-day scenario. Your mom is asking you to get some vegetables from market. Now what you do is, you will listen the instruction what your mom is saying. Let's take, she says, go and get 1 kg tomatoes. Provided she will be giving you some of the resources, like maybe for traveling, or maybe you require some money for it. Now you take those things and you're going to go to market and you're going to collect the specific item, whatever your mom has been specified. Now imagine your mom is going on giving you the same instruction again and again. Let's take one time you go and get tomatoes. Second time again, as soon as you come in, your mom asks you to get again 1 kg potatoes. Again, as soon as you process that instruction, maybe your mom gives another task. So if your mom is keep on giving some tasks, now what you feel internally? You feel like, Mom, why you are giving me each and every instruction one time? It is taking me more time to go there to get that particular item. Once I reach back, again you are giving me. So I am getting strained. I don't want to work anymore. So you feel in the same way. And what is the solution for that problem? Now you ask your mom to prepare a list. That list consists of the items what you want to purchase. Once you get those items done, now your job is being successfully done. If you are missing any one of the item from the list, you feel like your job is unsuccessful. The same way, now if you have multiple such commands given, you can just write it as a list and you can prepare to get those items from that list. That is what a list technically we are calling here it as a program. A program is nothing but it is a collection of instructions. So I can say that the first one is instruction or a command. Now grouping of those instructions together, we call it as a program. A program is a collection of instructions. Now there is a possibility where we need to also have the collection of programs. Okay, collection of programs, which means your mom is giving you some list of items to purchase. Similarly, your dad may give some list of items to purchase. Similarly, your brother, sister, they may also give you some of the tasks to be done. Now what we do here is, we collect all those lists and process one by one. Here, in our technical terminology, we are going to say it as an application. An application is nothing but it is a collection of programs. When you integrate all the applications together, then we are going to form a final software, or we technically call it as operating system. So let us see the hierarchy. First we have instruction or a command. The collection of instructions or a command, we call it as a program. Collection of program, we technically call it as an application. Collection of these applications, we technically call it as a software or operating system. Okay.